Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Beautiful AI. You see, Beautiful AI is a presentation software that leverages AI to help users create visually appealing presentations quickly. That's right, and you can do it quickly even without design experience. Now, what the pros are: ease of use, speed, professional design, you get professional looking design, consistency, collaboration for teams to work together on the presentations, AI assistance, including features like designer bot, and then it's great. It sounds great. Now let's look at the cons, the flip side. Now the cons is cons are actually number one, limited customization. Yeah, online only, so it requires a stable internet connection, which can be drawback in areas with poor connectivity. It has the potential for generic output because of the limited customization, and it has a learning curve for specific edits. So that is it. That is a quick review on Beautiful AI. If you want to know what it's all about, if you actually want to go deep into it, then go to beautiful.ai and get started.